Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we are going to learn the basic fundamentals of vibe coding. For those of you who are already familiar with this topic, feel free to skip this video. However, if you are new and you want to learn more about vibe coding, make sure that you pay very close attention to this video. Firstly, you might be wondering, what is vibe coding? Let me explain. Vibe coding is a method to build apps and software using AI tools. It enables users to enter prompts in human language and instantly generate design, code, and features without requiring advanced programming skills. So even you don't know how to code, you will be able to use AI to create a fully functioning app. So that's very cool, right? Okay, now let me explain you how vibe coding works. I'm going to explain the process using mind map. The process is consisted of 5 main steps. And the first step is user inputting the prompt. In this step, user will describe their goals or ideas by entering a simple text prompt that explains what kind of app, feature, or system they want to build. So when you are writing your prompt, you have to be very specific, because the more detailed the prompt is, the better and more accurate the output will be. Okay, now let's move on to the second step. AI will generate the structure. In this step, AI will analyze the user prompt to identify the main components, relationship, and functional hierarchy of the project. It will then translate these insights into a complete structure, organizing screens, layouts, logic flow, and dependencies to form a blueprint that represents the entire app or website. Okay, now let's move on to the third step. AI will write the code. In this step, AI will automatically write the code based on the defined structure using common formats such as JSON, HTML, or JavaScript. It will generate a complete and functional code base for both the backend and front end. And it will automatically compile it so the user can instantly preview and interact with the UI without needing to manually run the code. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth step. User will review the code and refine it. In this step, the user will review the generated output to ensure that everything matches their intended design and functionality. They can refine the result by editing labels, adding or removing components, repositioning UI elements, or requesting AI to regenerate the specific sections for better accuracy or clarity. So in this step, you will need to be really good at prompting. You will need to create a good prompt so AI understands what you want. Okay, now let's move on to the fifth step, which is also the last step. Integrations and deployment. In this step, the user will connect their app to a database like MongoDB, Firebase, or Supabase. Then after that, the user will deploy the app using platforms like Netlify or Vercel. And for deployment, there are 3 main steps. The first step is to configure environment settings. The second step is to test integrations with data. And the third step is to launch and monitor the app. Okay, now let's talk about vibe coding challenges and limitations. The first one is code quality and performance. So AI generated code may not always follow the best industry practices and can sometimes require manual optimizations to improve efficiency and maintainability. The second limitation is integrations complexity. When dealing with complex system or external API, AI-generated code may need additional human adjustment to ensure seamless integrations and better functionality. The third limitation is security vulnerabilities. AI tools may overlook potential security risks, so developers must always review the code for issues such as data exposure, authentication flows, or weak validations. And the last one is feature limitations. Some advanced or highly specific app features may not be fully supported by AI-generated framework, requiring custom coding or manual setup. Okay, so those are 4 technical limitations that you need to be fully aware of. Okay, now let's talk about 5 coding benefits. The first one is faster development. AI can significantly speed up the development process, allowing user to go from idea to working prototype in just a few minutes instead of weeks or months. The second benefit is accessibility. Vibe coding enables people without strong programming background to build functional applications easily by describing their ideas in plain language. And the third benefit is cost reductions. Using AI for coding reduces the need for large development teams, helping startups and small businesses to build and launch projects more affordably. Okay guys, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.